Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So I'm at Sunset Park and I'm exploring some animals in here. Let's see. I'm in this. You might kind of like look like I'm in Sunset Park because you gotta see. You see that? There's like a pool over there. So I'm in Sunset Park, so I'm just going to explore some. There's a pigeon. There's a pigeon. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Okay, no. Max, look at this dude. He scared the pigeon. Look where the pigeon is. Like, I'm on the street. Oh no. Max, don't do it. Oh, he dodged it. Nani? 弟弟啊 ，Max 都已经打到了。Okay, that was weird. So, I kind of wanted to find squirrels, unless I wanted to think through. Oh, there's a bunch. Oh, okay, so there is a bunch. Oh, there's squirrels. There's 3 squirrels. Look, there's squirrels. Hi. 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 Okay, that's so weird. It's just looking at me. Max, no. Hey! There's so many of them! No, stop it. They're storing so much. Hi. No, don't do it. They're cute. Yeah, they're Give me the sticks. Give me the sticks. I'm throwing this one. Sorry. What? I'm going to another squirrel. Here's the... Oh, there's so adorable. Up there. I know. You go over here and I'll go over here. It's okay. Guys, it's hiding. Guys, it's hiding. Guys, it's hiding. Oh, did you guys saw that? Okay, I think it's on the other side. Oh. There's one over there. Okay. Guys, so I'm going to go to another squirrel and see if it likes me or not. Hi. Max! Daddy, I think they're scaring the animals away. But I can't. Max, no. Max! Oh, I don't like my little brother. Daddy, come and throw that stick away. Bye. That's so funny. Hi. Look at this. He's looking at his peanuts.
Can I catch him?
No, you cannot. He lives in the wild, okay? It's okay, it's okay.
You want to eat me?
It's not. It only wants to see.
We're taking more.
I know. They're gathering. They're friends. Look at that dude. It's okay. They're not biting you. Hey! Hey, wait. I can help you. Look. See? Hey.
Ah!
No. Max. Oh, look at their fluffy tails. See their fluffy.
One just Get down!
I wonder if there's any nuts. Okay, nut check. Come okay, make sure there are nuts here. Okay guys, so I'm still seeing it. Guys? No. Max, look, see that? There is a squirrel looking at me. There's a squirrel looking at me. Hey, there it goes. You can see its fluffy tail.
I'm gonna use that I'm going to kill the tree.
Does he think he's gonna kill like a tree? I'm still filming. Oh, there's a pigeon. There's a baby pigeon. You saw that? Wait, I saw that. No, it doesn't eat sticks. They don't eat any sticks, okay? So guys, this is the end of the video. And make sure to subscribe and also like my channel and also hit the bell button and leave a comment to know what other videos you want to tell me to do. So I will see you in the next video. Bye.